Imagine the frustration of your phone battery dying out because your charging cable decided to quit on you at the most inconvenient time. It's a situation no one wants to be in, and it's often the result of choosing a low-quality Type-C to Lightning cable over a high-quality one. High-quality Type-C to Lightning cables, typically priced between $15 and $30 or more, offer a range of features that make them a worthy investment. These cables are certified by Apple, ensuring compatibility and safety when charging your devices. They're built to last, with durable materials like reinforced connectors and braided cables that can withstand daily wear and tear. Moreover, they offer fast charging and data transfer capabilities, making sure your device is powered up and synced in no time. They also come in different lengths to suit your needs, whether you need a longer cable for your bedside table or a shorter one for your car. Not to forget, the reputation of the brand and customer reviews also play a significant role in determining the quality of these cables. On the other hand, low-quality Type-C to Lightning cables, often priced at $15 or less, may seem like a bargain at first but could end up costing more in the long run. These cables may lack the official Apple certification, which could lead to compatibility issues with your devices. They're typically made of cheaper materials, so they're more prone to wear and tear and may not provide the same level of durability as their high-quality counterparts. Additionally, these cables may offer slower charging speeds, a shorter lifespan, and could even pose safety concerns. Many low-quality cables come with limited or no warranty, leaving you on your own if the cable fails or causes any damage. In summary, the difference between high-quality and low-quality Type-C to Lightning cables lies in their durability, charging speed, compatibility, and safety. High-quality cables are designed to last, offer fast charging and data transfer, and are certified for use with Apple devices. Low-quality cables, while cheaper, may not offer the same reliability or safety and could potentially cause more problems down the line. So, next time you're shopping for a Type-C to Lightning cable, remember to weigh the pros and cons. It's not just about the price, it's about the quality, durability, and reliability that will keep your devices powered up and running smoothly. After all, a cable isn't just a cable, it's a lifeline for your devices.